Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about excretory products and their elimination from chapter 19 CBSE syllabus class 11. Children, now let us discuss about uric acid. Animals living in dry conditions such as land grasshoppers, most insects, land reptiles like snakes and lizards, birds and kangaroos, rat, mammals, etc. have to conserve water in their bodies. Therefore, they synthesize crystals of uric acid from their ammonia for the formation of uric acid. Xanthine oxidase enzyme is necessary for this process. Uric acid crystals are non-toxic and almost insoluble in water. Hence, this can be retained in the body for a considerable time before being discharged from the body. Uric acid is the main nitrogenous excretory product discharged into the solid form like pellets and paste. This excretion is called uricotilic excretion or uricotelism. Children, now let us discuss about what is uric acid. Humans are uricotelisms, which means the major waste product in our body is urea. Along with urea, uric acid is also a waste generated in our body as a result of digestion and absorption of food that we eat. Food molecules containing purines generate the waste product uric acid in the body. High levels of purines are found in some food products like meat, dried beans, and beverages like beer. Kidneys are the primary organs involved in the process of excretion and are responsible for eliminating wastes in the form of urine from the body. When we consume an excess of purines containing food and our kidneys fail to excrete all amount of uric acid from the body, it leads to the buildup of uric acid in the body. This buildup also takes place in our blood cells and it leads to an abnormal condition known as hyperuricemia. Children, now let us discuss about the symptoms of uric acid. Uric acid is natural waste product which is produced after the digestion of food molecules containing purines from the digestive system. Purines are found in high level in some foods such as meat products, dried beans, beer, etc. Usually, kidneys are involved in the filtering of uric acid and excreting through the urine. If the intake of the purine is more, our body cannot excrete out and gets built up in our blood cells. Has high uric acid levels is known as hyperuricemia. By secreting more uric acid, we'll get kidney diseases like diabetes mellitus, hypothyroidism, psoriasis, arthritis, gout, and few cancers are certain health diseases caused by the high uric acid levels in our blood cells. Children, now let us discuss the properties of uric acid. Uric acid appearance in white crystals and chemical formula of uric acid is C5H4N4O3. Melting point of uric acid is 300 degrees centigrades. Density of uric acid is 1.87 grams per centimeter square and molar mass of uric acid is 168.1103 grams per mole. Solubility in water is soluble in water. Children, now let us discuss the causes of high uric acid. The high uric acid occurs when the kidneys is unable to eliminate uric acid sufficiently. This can occur due to a number of factors, that is diuretics, hypothyroidism, obesity, alcohol, genetic disorders, renal insufficiency, and niacin. Now let us see the symptoms of uric acid. The symptoms of uric acid more in our body will look like fatigue, dry skin, constipation, swallowing giants, muscle stiffness, kidney disorders, muscles weakness, pain and stiffness in your joints, aches and tenderness of muscles, sudden and severe pain in a particular joint. Children, now let us discuss what is high uric acid. The gout is caused by hyperuricemia, which is high uric acid levels, which can be caused a variety of factors. Diet may play a role. Consumption of dietary purine, high fructose corn syrup and table sugar can raise uric acid levels. Reduced excretion via the kidneys can cause an increase in serum uric acid. Uric acid levels can be temporarily raised by fasting or rapid weight reducing. By interfering with renal clearance, certain medicines such as thiazide diuretic can raise blood uric acid levels. Let us see the another disease like tumor lysis. Tumor lysis syndrome is a metabolic complication of certain malignancies or chemotherapy that occurs as a result of the release of nucleobase and potassium into the bloodstream. Gout. Gout is a painful condition caused by need-like uric acid crystals precipitating in the joints, capillaries, skin and other tissues when blood uric acid levels are too high. Gout can be developed when blood uric acid levels are low as 6 milligrams per 100 milliliters of blood, but it can also develop when serum uric acid levels are high as 9.6 milligrams per 100 milliliters of blood. Purines in humans are converted to uric acid, which is then expelled into the urine. Consumption of purine-rich foods, particularly meat and shellfish, raises the risk of gout. The gout can be caused by eating meats like liver, kidney and sweetbreads, as well as fish like herrings, sardining, mussels, scallops, trout, haddock and tuna on a frequent basis. However, a moderate diet of purine-rich foods is not linked to an increased risk of gout. Children, now let us discuss about tumor lysis syndrome in detail. This tumor lysis syndrome, a life-threatening illness caused by blood malignancies, causes elevated uric acid levels in the blood when tumor cells spontaneously or after treatment discharge their contents into the bloodstream. When uric acid crystals forms in the kidneys, tumor lysis syndrome can cause acute renal damage, hyperhydration to dilute and eliminate uric acid through urine, rasburicase to lower level of purely soluble uric acid in the blood, or allopurinol to prevent purine catabolism from adding to uric acid levels are all potions for treatment. Children, now let us discuss about Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. High serum uric acid levels are also linked to Lesch-Nyhan syndrome, a rare hereditary illness. This syndrome is characterized by spasticity, involuntary movements, cognitive impairment, and gout symptoms. Cardiovascular disease. Hyperuricemia may raise cardiovascular disease risk factors also. They next come to the type 2 diabetes. Hyperuricemia may be also a result of insulin resistance rather than a cause of diabetes. One study found that evaluated serum uric acid was linked to a great risk of type 2 diabetes even when other factors such as obesity, dyslipidemia and hypertension were taken into account. Hyperuricemia is linked to metabolic syndrome components including in children. Children, now let us discuss about uric acid and stone formation. Deposits of sodium urate microcrystals can cause kidney stones. When uric acid is in the blood reaches saturation levels, the urate crystallizations in the kidney resulting in one type of kidney stone. Because uric acid stones are radiolucent, they do not show up on a plain abdomen X-ray. Uric acid crystals can also act as seed crystals in the production of calcium oxalate stones. Children, now let us discuss about low uric acid. Hyperuricemia, which can also caused by a variety of factors. Low uric acid levels are caused by a lack of zinc in the diet. In women who use oral contraceptives, this effect can be considerably more pronounced. Sevelamer is a medicine used to prevent hyperphosphatemia in persons with chronic kidney failure can lower serum uric acid levels considerably. Children, now let us discuss about multisclerosis. The serum uric acid levels of individuals with multisclerosis were considerably lower than those of healthy controls according to meta-analysis to 10 case control studies, possibly providing a diagnostic biomarker for multiple sclerosis. Children, now let us discuss about the prevention of high uric acid levels. There are many natural ways which can be used to lower the level of uric acids in our body cells, and this includes reducing the weight. Obesity is one of the causes of increased uric acid levels. Then consume low fat dietary. Second one, avoid drinking of alcohol frequently. Drink a lot of water, juices and tea. Keep a check of purine rich food. There are many natural ways which can be used to lower the level of uric acid in our blood cells. This includes avoid or limit that intake of purine rich foods, drink plenty of water to avoid dehydration, avoid the use of alcohol, reduce the intake of sugar in your diet and lot of more. Children, now let's come to the conclusion. Uric acid is a heterocyclic molecule made up of a carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen with the formula of C5H4N4O3. Urates and acids, urates such as ammonium acid urate are ions and salts that it creates. Uric acid is produced by the metabolic breakdown of purines nucleotides and it is a common component of urine. Gout is caused by high uric acid levels in the blood, which have also been linked to diabetes and the formation of ammonium acid, urate, kidney stones, etc.